Hey there! Welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. And I'm your host, Mike, and today we're sitting here with our 2014 Audi S6. You might be asking yourself, what's so cool about this car? Well, let me tell you. I don't know, all-wheel drive, V8, twin turbos? You might be asking yourself, how can we make something like this better? Well, let me tell you. All we gotta do is turn up the boost. Everybody loves those HPs. I don't know, maybe some exhaust. Hear this baby purr. And, of course, cannot forget the blow-off valve. Everyone loves the whoops. Who doesn't?
And we will not be doing that today, Mike. We'll actually be doing the forgotten mod, suspension.
Alrighty, and we're back. Decided to take the old S6 for a drive here. Dilly insisted I see before and after, but I really don't think I'm going to see a difference here. I think the main thing we're going to tell is that we're just kind of wasting some time here, but only time will tell.
Okay.
Let's take this first corner here, give her a little juice. Wow, would you feel that? I don't feel much body roll. I don't know about you. I'm surprised you didn't know this, but German engineering really takes into consideration their suspension. They want to make sure when you buy this car, you have that superb feeling. They don't want you to upgrade their stuff. What they want you to do is upgrade their power.
And I'd say German engineering is great, but there's always room for improvement.
Yeah, what I'm handling right now is the steering wheel because the car's doing all the work for me. You know, I really got to tell you, Dilly, cars feels great. Right out of the box, this thing feels great.
In the hard settings for those sway bars and end links, you're gonna feel a whole different car. So it doesn't get squirrely in the back end.
I understand where you're coming from, and I don't want to be the one to tell you that you're wrong, but Dr. Dills, I think you're wrong on this.
I think time will tell and parts will prove. So at this point, let's get back to the shop. Let's put on the parts and let's see the difference in how this thing handles. So today we'll be doing the forgotten mod, suspension. And the goal to that is to reduce the body roll of the car to make it handle just a little bit better. So today we'll be doing end links and sway bars to stiffen up that.
We get it. Tighter, less body roll. Come on, let's do it. Pitter patter, let's get at her. We got the car up in the air here. We're gonna start on the back end, start cranking away at it. Should be pretty easy. You only got 2 bolts on the end links and you got 2 so stupid bolts on the sway bar. Can we stop for a second? Audi, what is this? What is it, 12-point torques? I don't have these. I had to go buy them. What the hell is this?
That's triple square, you idiot!
Oh, well, I got them now. Let's start cranking away.
Now for Dr. Dill's tip of the day. Now for Dr. Dill's tip of the day with my assistant Bob. You got to make sure that you put grease on those bushings.
Don't forget the grease!
Well, we're finished with the back, and that only means one thing. And no, dum-dum, it means we're off to the front, not that we're done. Can I point out something? Not only do we have those stupid bolts in the back, but carpet? I already need carpet for my living room, and I might go with something like this, but I mean, personally, I would have went with something more shaggy, you know, bring out some 70s, but whatever, Audi, you do it your way. Let's take this thing off. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, we got the carpet sample down from the old Audi, and you will never guess what we found from the previous owner. Right up in here, we found a little mini squirt gun. It's melted, because it gets hot in there. So just remember, folks, if you're hot, they're hot. Cool them down a little bit. Let's get to work.
Don't forget the grease!
Jesus. Alright, car's on the ground, sway bars in, end links in. Stick this thing out on the road and see if Dilly can put his money where his annoying mouth is. Alright, back in the car. Time to find out if that made any difference and to see if I wasted a whole bunch of time. Here we go! Okay. Yeah, squeeze a bit tighter, I guess. Wait, what are we filming? Red Lights Are Us? You know, Dilly, I feel like we could still use a little more HPs around here. Alright, that was pretty fun. I never like to admit this, but I think Dilly was kind of right on this one. The car feels great. It feels nice and tight. So what did we actually learn here today? And I think a good takeaway is do whatever you want to your car. It's your car, not mine. I don't care. I still would have done something to increase these HPs. I would have felt a lot better then. But I wanted to thank you guys for popping on in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Show us a little bit of love. I also wanted to thank you guys for hiding out with us. I gotta get out of here. Until next time. Whoa, okay, startled me.
Body roll.
I wanted to say what I'm really handling right now is this because I got a half chub right now. Cool beans. No, cool beans.
Thanks for putting the carpet back on.
Thanks, Bob. Always a helper.
Oh, that's been recording.
All right, and we got the So just remember, if you're hot, they're hot. Squirt them down a little bit. That sounds really bad. No.